What are the symptoms of a brake booster vacuum leak? Have you ever wondered how a small issue like a brake booster vacuum leak can impact your truck's performance? Understanding the symptoms can help you maintain safety on the road. Let's break down what to look for. One of the first signs of a brake booster vacuum leak is a hissing noise. This sound usually happens when you press the brake pedal. If you hear this hissing even when your foot is off the pedal, it could mean there is a problem with the plunger seal or another part of the booster. Next, pay attention to how your engine behaves. A vacuum leak can disrupt the air and fuel mixture, causing the engine to stall or run roughly. You might notice this especially when you are braking. If your engine starts acting up, it could be a sign that the brake booster is leaking. Another symptom to watch for is a stiff brake pedal. When the brake booster is not functioning properly due to a vacuum leak, it reduces the power assist. This makes the brake pedal feel hard to press, which can be alarming when you need to stop quickly. Idle issues can also arise from a vacuum leak. If you experience a loss of power or a rough idle, this could indicate that the brake booster is not sealing properly. The leak affects the engine's ability to maintain a stable air and fuel mixture, leading to these performance problems. In the context of truck maintenance and repair, recognizing these symptoms early is essential. A vacuum leak can compromise both safety and performance. If you suspect a leak, it is important to address it quickly. Regular maintenance checks can help prevent these issues from escalating. When it comes to brake booster replacement, knowing these symptoms can save you time and money. If you notice any of these signs, consider having a professional inspect your brake system. Keeping your truck in top shape ensures you can drive safely and efficiently.